Hello friends, welcome back to our channel, that is Sanskriti and Sanskar classes. This video is again for class 10 CBSE board students and we have taken the chapter 1 of NCERT science book, that is chemical reactions and equations. If you have not watched our first video, means part 1, so please watch it, then you can understand our this video, means part 2. Now we come to our topic, that is types of chemical reactions. So we have 4 types of chemical reactions. First, combination reaction. Second, decomposition reaction. Third, displacement reaction. And fourth is double displacement reaction. I have seen that many students have problem to differentiate between them. So if it is possible, I will clear that doubt. Combination reaction, as the name suggests, combinations means combine karna, means jodna. Decomposition reaction means tootna. It is just opposite of the combination reactions, means to divide, decompose. So displacement reaction, when one substance takes the place of another substance, that is displacement reaction. And wait, you should know the reactivity series. You must learn the reactivity series before studying displacement reaction and double displacement reaction. If you will say, so I'll make a video on that also. Double displacement reaction, when two substances, according to reactivity series, when two substances exchange their places on the product side, that is double displacement reaction. Now we will study it in a brief. First, combination reaction. When two elements or substances combine to form a single product or a single substance, that is the combination reaction. We will take the easiest example to explore you all. Like H2 plus O2 gives us H2O. You all have to write the states in which they are, because this is more important and it can grow our marks also. We can gain marks with it in our boards. Now you all can see this is a skeletal equation, means it is an unbalanced equation. Why? Because on the reactant side there are 2 atoms of hydrogen. On the product side also there are 2 atoms of hydrogen, but on reactant sides there are 2 atoms of oxygen also. But in our product side there is only 1 atom. So we'll do it over here. We put 2. So 2 2s are 4. Now on the product side there are 4 atoms of hydrogen and 2 atoms of oxygen. Now what we will do? We will put 2 over here also. Now 2 atoms of hydrogen, 4 atoms of hydrogen are on the reactant side, 4 atoms of hydrogen are on the product side. 2 atoms of oxygen are on the reactant side and 2 atoms of oxygen are on the product side. Now this is a balanced chemical equation. And you all can see that 2 gases are combining, means hydrogen and oxygen are combining to form what? Water. Second example, we can take that magnesium, formula Mg, plus oxygen found in air, that is oxygen O, gives us what? Gives us MgO, that is magnesium oxide. Magnesium oxide. So here also magnesium and oxygen are combining to form a single substance, single product, that is magnesium oxide. I think you all have understood. Now we come to the decomposition reaction.
Start.
That is decomposition reaction. As I have said, decomposition reaction is just opposite of combination reaction. Combination reaction मतलब क्या होता है? जोड़ना. और decomposition reaction मतलब क्या होता है? तोड़ना, टूटना. When one substance decomposes in many other substances on the product side, that is decomposition reaction. Like, we will take the same examples. H2O means water, gives us what? Hydrogen and oxygen. Do you all have understood this? This is very easy. Now MgO, which was a magnesium oxide, gives us what? Magnesium and oxygen. So I think you all have understood the decomposition also. Decomposition reaction. Here water is decomposed into two substances. It gives out two substances, that is two gases, hydrogen and oxygen. Here magnesium oxide is giving out magnesium and oxygen. Now we come to the third point, that is displacement reaction. Displacement reaction means when one substance or element take place of another substance that displaces that substance according to the reactivity series and takes that place, that is the displacement reaction. Like in this example, we have taken quicklime, that is CaO, also known as calcium oxide. Water, that is H2O, will give us slaked lime and heat. So here you can observe that they are mixing. We can also say they are mixing. This is taking his place, right? OCA means calcium is taking this place over on the product side. So this is the displacement reaction. Here calcium has displaces hydrogen. So quicklime, also known as calcium oxide, plus water gives a slaked lime, that is also known as calcium hydroxide, plus heat is evolved. Now we come to the double displacement reaction. Double displacement reaction. Example of double displacement reaction, we take the best example, that is sodium sulfate plus barium chloride. Sodium sulfate, that is solid, barium chloride, that is aqueous, will give us sodium chloride and barium sulfate. Here what are they doing? This sodium is going with chloride. We can see 2NaCl. Then barium is coming at the place of sodium, that is BaSO4. So this is the best example of double displacement reaction. There are two more reactions, that is exothermic reaction and endothermic reaction. exothermic reaction. What does exo and endothermic reaction means? Exothermic reaction, when the heat is released along with the formation of product, that is called exothermic reaction, and when the heat is absorbed in the formation of reaction, that is endothermic reaction. Thank you. In the next video I will explain oxidation and reaction, and I'll give the best examples of exothermic reaction and endothermic reaction. Please support, like, subscribe. Thank you.